Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to allow calls only from people you follow on X. If you've been getting too many unwanted calls or you simply want to keep things private, this quick update will help you set up the feature the right way. First, open up the X app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the call settings are available. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on the message icon. This will take you straight into your inbox, where all your conversations and requests are stored. Next, tap on Message Requests. This is where X keeps the messages that come from people you don't follow yet. Right at the top of this page, you'll see a small settings icon. Go ahead and tap that to access your message and call preferences. Inside the settings, you'll notice an option called Enable Audio and Video Calling. Toggle this on if it isn't already. This step is important because without enabling calls, you won't be able to change who can contact you with calls in the first place. Once calling is enabled, you should now see the option to choose who is allowed to call you. Simply check the box next to people you follow. By doing this, you're making sure that only the accounts you trust and follow can reach you through audio or video calls. Everyone else will be blocked from calling you, which keeps your inbox and your notifications free from interruptions. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've set up your X app to only allow calls from the people you actually want to hear from. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in controlling your experience on the platform. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments how you're customizing your call and message settings. Don't forget to stay tuned for more simple updates like this, so you always know how to keep your social media experience smoother and more private.